My name is John Fontana, and I'm the owner of Bricks for Kidz Tampa. So growing up, I always worked with kids in summer camps, in high school, and in college, so it was a real big passion of mine working with kids. And then I was on an airplane, and I had read about Bricks for Kids in a magazine, and I saw there was this business that used Lego bricks to teach kids science, technology, engineering, math, the arts, how to be creative, and I knew that was something immediately that I wanted to be involved with. One of the things that drew me to Bricks for Kids was that it didn't really involve any technology. It was all hands-on, engaging, teamwork experiences with the kids. So whether you're in one of our after-school programs, or a summer camp, or a weekend workshop, we don't use tablets or monitors or any sort of technology. It's all just hardcore Lego bricks, and we're working with friends and partners to build creations together, working as a team. Well, one of the great things about Bricks for Kids is that we can accommodate a wide range of age groups at the same time. Whether you are a beginner builder in the kindergarten or whether you're a more advanced builder in the 5th or 6th grade, we have something for everybody. Also, a big part of our program is teamwork and collaborating and working together. So you will find a 3rd grader working with a kindergartner, and they're building an airplane together, where the 3rd grader is helping the kindergartner learn basic concepts in terms of following instructions, how to connect certain pieces together. So not only is it teaching the kindergartner valuable life skills, but it's also teaching the 3rd grader how to be a role model for someone younger than themselves. The Bricks for Kids program is designed to keep children engaged for several different amounts of time. For our hour-long after-school programs, even for a 7-hour camp day. We have something for the kids that always keep them engaged. We have a wide variety of types of models that we have. We have our robotic models, we also have our mosaic art models, and then we have our 3D color brick models as well.
My oldest son has been coming to Bricks for Kids for 7 years. So the first time I heard about Bricks for Kids was at the Seminole Heights Kids Market, and they had a table there. I decided to try it that year. I would say the kids have a blast, no matter what their age, because my son has been coming here since he was 5 years old to 12 years old. They love being creative and building. It gets their mind thinking about the creativity. It's awesome. For the past 5 years, my oldest son has said he wants to own his own Bricks for Kids when he grows up. He wants to be John when he grows up.
I've been bringing Marley to the Bricks for Kids programs maybe about 2 years. The first thing I did was check out the website, and it was just very organized and super colorful. My son was actually looking over my shoulder at the computer, and he saw the Legos, and he was like, "Oh, Mom, what is that? I want to do that." He started out in the after-school program, and then I found out about the summer camps, which was a game changer for us. He absolutely loves them, and it's awesome for me. Even though I work from home, it's great to have some time where he's away and I know he's safe and he's learning and I can get more done at home. I love the fact that when we get home, he's not reaching for his iPad anymore. He's taken the skills that he learns in the Bricks for Kids clubs and he's using them now at home.
Not only do we hold several types of programs at our Bricks for Kids Creativity Center, but we also offer programming all over the greater Tampa Bay area. If you're interested in signing your child up for a Bricks for Kids program, the best thing to do is to go on our website and check out our program offerings on our registration page.